Hey there, are you ready for an adventure? A math adventure! Today we're going to find out just how fun subtraction can be.
Okay, let me ask you something. You know when you're playing with your favorite toys, maybe some blocks or even your race cars, and a friend comes over and you share some with them? Of course you have, right? Well, after you share, have you ever looked down and thought, how many do I have left? If you've ever done that, guess what? You were already doing math without even knowing it. So let's get started, math adventurers. We're going to learn all about taking away. And taking away has a super cool special math name. It's called subtraction. Okay, first, let's learn how to take away. I'll show you how it's done. It's kind of like a magic trick, and it's super easy. I promise. Let's do this. Okay, check out this desk. We've got some books here. Let's count them all together, out loud. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect. So we're starting with 5 books. Now, along comes our friend Betty. She needs to borrow 2 books, so she's going to take 2 of them. And poof, they're gone. So the big question is, how many books are left? Take a look and count them up. Did you get it? The answer is 3. That's right. 3 books are left. You got it. That was perfect. So we had 5 books, we took away 2, and that left us with 3. In math, we write it like this. See that little line? That's called a minus sign. It just means take away. So we can read this as 5 minus 2 equals 3. Wow, you just read a real math sentence.
Okay, you did an amazing job watching that one. So now, let's do one together. Ready to be a team?
Whoa, look at all those shiny red cars. This toy shop has a bunch. Let's see, how many are there? Yep, there are 9 cars in the shop.
Okay, so here's what happened. The shop got super busy and sold 8 of them. 8 cars are gone. So how many cars do we need to cross out to show that they're gone? What do you think?
Great thinking. We need to cross out 8. Let's count them as we do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Awesome. Okay, so now for the big finish. How many are left?
1. Yes, just 1 car is left. You're getting so good at this.
So let's put it all together. 9 take away 8 equals 1. And the math sentence looks like this. 9 minus 8 equals 1. We did that! Great teamwork.
All right, you've watched me, you've helped me, and now it's your turn. You get to solve one all by yourself. I know you can do it. Ready? Okay, listen to this story. Tom gets 5 brand new pencils. So cool. But he does a lot of awesome drawing and uses up 3 of them. So the question is, how many pencils does he have left?
Okay, put those thinking caps on. I'll give you a second to think. You can even use your fingers to help you count. Ready? Let's count down. 3, 2, 1. What's the answer?
The answer is 2. Did you get 2? If you did, give yourself a big high five. Woohoo! That was amazing. You figured it out. We started with 5 pencils, we took away the 3 Tom used, and we were left with 2. Because 5 minus 3 equals 2. You are a math superstar. Okay, let's quickly remember everything we did today. And seriously, after all that incredible work, you are definitely a subtraction star. So, what was that big word we learned? Subtraction. And remember, all it means is taking things away to see how many are left. That's it. And remember, our super easy steps. It's just 3 things. First, count how many you have at the start. Second, take some away. And third, count how many are left. Easy peasy. You did such a fantastic job today, Math Adventurer. Keep practicing subtraction with everything around you. Your snacks, your crayons, anything. Thanks for coming on this adventure with me. See you next time.